Sorry about that, guys. My phone had text messages and the video ended, so yeah. But now it's time for them to get going. Hey guys, I want to go to the swim area. I want to go to the swim area. Do you guys want to come? No thanks. Yeah, me neither. I have some catching up with my animals to do. Wait, you got your animals on the trip? Oh no, you didn't, girl. Yes, I did. I'm going to get Cherry Berry. Stay right here. Here comes the idiot, Cherry Berry. Stay tuned. Guys, I cannot try Cherry Berry, so it looks like Mother is gonna have to play Cherry Berry too. Like, what's going on here? Who do you think you are? Who do you think you are? Who do you think you are, Lahama? Huh? 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 Sorry, Cherry Berry can get real mad sometimes and really stupid. Okay. So Cherry Berry, you're really dumb and you're really retarded. That's why I didn't want to bring you on the trip. But turns out I had to bring the retarded one. Just so mean. I get out of this. I told you. Get out of it. This is our habit too. Sorry. Can if you want to. I'm gonna go swimming. You guys can stay here if you want to. Whatever. I'm gonna go do a driving test. Thank you. Give me my car. Let me park my car. Twilight! Not Twilight. I'm Starlight Glimmer. Well, Starlight Glimmer, where do I park my car? Get out, legend. Just get out. Get out. Where do I park my car? Get out! Where do I park my car at? Oh, just park it right over there. I don't park that car. You didn't bring a car. You're retarded, but kind of smart at the same time. Whatever. Park it over there. Hey. Hi. So what's up, guys? What are you looking at? Huh? How do you think you are? Yeah, that's how me and Cherry Berry is. God! Just come on. Get out of the closet. Who do you think you are looking at? Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm so sorry, guys. You just don't look at me. Okay? Okay. Okay. Now we got that outside there. What do you want? I'm kidding. Yeah. Whatever. So what are we doing tonight? So, what do you wanna know? I'm bored. Come on. Ugh. You're so weak. I want to take a driving test. That's so boring. Ugh. In your car. No, you're not going in my car. My car just got cleaned and I want your darn feet all over my floor. Then you wouldn't want cash? Oh, I'll take it for cash. You can have my whole car for cash. As long as it's under, not just $1. Would you try to brag my ways? You can drive my car, but I have to be on it with you. Of course, if I die, you have to die too. Oh, no, no, no. Sweetie, no, no, no. Oh, and I know you're trying to bribe me because you're not going to kill me. You're not. Okay, let's go. First of all, you know all the gears because we took our driving class at school. And I did better than you. You did 30. I did 86. So, just go. Okay. Dang, you drive like a maniac. You just crashed my car. Oops. I'll try again. Better? Too slow. If you crash my car, gone, you're getting out. Smack her now. Get out of my car! You are in that car again! No, I hate you now! You are never going in my car ever! Wait, hold on. I'm gonna connect her to her hoof. Okay. You're never going in my car! Oh my god. Okay, there we go. Hold on. But I'm pretending that she's fighting her because she crashed her car 3 times. You're never going in my car. And she kicked her out of her car. You're never going in my car. Gone. Hate you now. You're gonna work you by your hair. Wait, hold on! Break it up! What are you doing? What are you beating her up for? She crashed my car, and then she crashed my car 3 times on purpose. Then she was trying to kill me. Then she tried to light my car on fire. Then, well, the fire thing, I was just trying to kill you. Yes, that's what I said. Then I didn't even start a fire. I know. Well, she crashed my car 3 times on purpose. Then she tried to steal my car. Yeah, that's true. Then she just started punching me. Well, that's not true. Well, still, you still smack me. Oh, I smack. Then you get a whooping. Bottom line. In mine, you don't want a whooping. From me. You don't. Yeah. I hate you. I hate you. First, are you just gonna let her do this? Well, you actually kind of do this. Get me out of this! Okay. Buttons, can you hurry this? Because I'm stuck there. Okay. What's going on here? Everybody, this is supposed to be a fun trip, and instead you guys are beating each other up. So, just break it up, say sorry to each other. So, okay, stuff like that. Now, since we broke it all up, let's just have fun! Woo! Party! Guys, we'll see you when we get ready for bed, because we gotta figure out something to do. We really have nothing to do. We have nothing to do. We really have nothing to do. So, we'll see you on a little bit. Because they're apparently all sleeping together. I'm stretching right now. I'm wearing 2 hours. I don't want to hit them. They're literally all sleeping right now. It's so cute. Move, legend. Ow, I hit my head. Move. Would you move? They're literally all sleeping right now. It's so cute. So adorable. I'm looking at them right now and I'm like, just petting them. They're my They all fell asleep while they were watching a movie. Do you see that? Hey, one of them are sleeping on the couch and they're left out. That's so cool. They made this poor pony sleep on there. They're so sad. I'm not allowed to go. And they beat her up too. That's why I didn't want to show the camera. But she can go all the way down here. And nice. You know what? What's your shot? I got something for you. Come on. Royal! Put my stool back! So, I put it down there. She's I'm gonna go to sleep and see her in a bit. What's up, guys? It's morning and I just woke up. You guys, of course, it was like 1 minute. Now, how's it going? Right in here, as you can see, the sun is just now rising. Okay, guys, sun is straight. There we go. Sun rising. There we go. It's better. See? Sky is blue. Sun is rising. Sunrise is really fast. But here it's just like perfect lighting. What? Kind of good, I guess. Kind of lighting. Really kind of lighting. Wait, hold on, guys. I need. What lighting is horrible? Whatever. You don't want to see it, but that shows that perfectly clear. It show my face so ugly. There we go. Back to normal. But yeah, guys. Bye. See you guys in a bit. I'm just gonna end this video, put some music to it, and that's it. Now, come back.